This is Doc Mountain, and I'm here to show you how you can actually how you can add the superscript to your nickname on Niki Live. So here we go. What you do is you go to Niki. Come on, Niki. And we are in. Okay, so now at the bottom of the screen, there sits 5 tabs. The first tab is the live tab. So the one that you have to click on is the one which is in the bottom right corner. Okay, beautiful. So when you get here, you'll see where your name is as well as your profile pic. Now at the end of the name, there's a square like icon, and there's something like a stick protruding it, that penetrating it. Click that part. When you open this, then you simply go down to where it says agent. So now what you do is you go back to WhatsApp. You can first of all copy the superscript before going that far. Okay, so we're going back to WhatsApp so that we copy the superscript hardboiled. It could not necessarily be hardboiled. It may be that they want you to be under some agency, and the agency name has to reflect by your name so that you're able to identify other members of your family. So we've copied that. You can now click on Niki name. Now you can erase everything except your name, and then you tap and hold, and then you'll see these options. Paste selector, you simply tap paste, and then you save by clicking save on the command tab save, the one which is in the top right corner. Then you roll back. That's how we do it. As simple as that.